A recent question was about wet felting and leaving a project to complete it on another day. The person who asked it was wondering, can you build up your design, dampen your layers of fiber, and then leave the piece successfully? And the answer is yes. You can actually leave your wet felting projects at any part of the process and go back and complete them on a further day. And in fact, if you're working with much larger projects, such as a big wall hanging or a rug or a garment, it may take you days to lay your project out. So never be afraid to leave it and go back, even if you don't go back for weeks. I usually leave my piece damp with soap in it, and I just cover it with my bubble wrap or whatever I'm working on. I might be working on a bamboo blind, for example. You can leave the piece rolled up in that case, or you can leave it totally flat if you haven't finished the laying out process. And just try not to let it dry out too much. So maybe put a fine layer of painter's plastic on top if you're working on a bamboo mat. Or if you're working between sheets of bubble wrap, just leave a sheet of bubble wrap on top. But whatever you do, don't panic. It will be absolutely fine when you come back to it to keep working on another occasion.